The list of uncertainty is growing. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, the Chief Market Strategist at the MarketGauge Group. You are tracking what's happening. And Mich, as you know, the market does not like uncertainty. So how are you trading this market?
Well, that is very key right here. And I'm not going to go through the 10 reasons why the market feels such uncertainty right now, but I did come up with 10. So I'd say the top one headlining this week, of course, is going to be the government shutdown. And a lot of people feel that the government will shut down, which of course will bring a Moody's downgrade, which we already had. So add that to the list of everything else that we already know about. So here's the thing. If you look at the market in terms of the three key indices right now, you've got NASDAQ's really basically holding August lows, while the S&P 500 has broken those lows and is now approaching more around that 4,200 level potentially. And the Russells are a real mess. I mean, they broke way further than anything else. So you can intimate from that there is definitely issues with what's happening in the U.S., as far as obviously consumer demand and also, in the small cap companies that are feeling the pinch of the higher rates. But you can also say that if there's anything that's going to turn first, it has to be NASDAQ, because that is still outperforming even in its downswing. And we have huge hedge funds getting short a lot of these tech stocks that they loved before. So that's kind of where I would be looking, is if NASDAQ settles down, that will bring some level of calm to the overall market. So for right now, you've got to be nimble and you've got to be protective and you've got to understand what your own risk appetite is.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, I want to review two trades because I always feel like I give something and it has to have follow-up, right? Because I feel responsible for what I say. So the first one is Teva Pharmaceuticals. That's actually holding up over that 10 level. We talked about 10 being the breakout. That gives you a very clear risk. Breaks 10, probably don't want to be long. The more it consolidates here, especially in bad times in the overall market, good sign. The other one I said was Coin. I said that was a much higher risk appetite, and that's certainly proving out to be. But right now it held 70, which I think was a pretty key level. Could it go to 65? Yes. But I would keep my eyes on that still, because Bitcoin, even though it's down, according to my brilliant Bitcoin and cryptocurrency analyst, it's really, if you take out the volatility from the Sam Bankman-Fried and a couple of other bits of news that have come out, has been flat, which he believes will mean a rally at some point.
We thank you very much, Mich.
Thank you so much, Angela.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.